Are you struggling with stubborn weight, energy crashes, or cravings that hit out of nowhere? What if you could finally see what's happening inside your body in real time? A continuous glucose monitor, or sometimes called CGM, is a tiny wearable sensor that tracks your blood sugar 24/7. No finger pricks, no guesswork, just clear, objective data that shows exactly how your body responds to food, stress, sleep, and exercise. When you can see the data, you can easily make changes that actually work. Blood sugar impacts everything: weight, cravings, mood, sleep, inflammation, and long-term metabolic health. And the truth, 1 in 3 adults has prediabetes, and most don't even know it. Elevated glucose is a major driver of weight gain and insulin resistance, but it is fixable. Our new 30-day CGM program gives you the data and the support to transform your metabolism. You'll get 2 sensors that cover your full 30 days, a 30-minute coaching session before you get started, and then a second coaching appointment 2 to 3 weeks in to help you interpret your data and guide your progress. You'll also get weekly goals to help you make positive changes. It's not just wearing a sensor, it's learning how your body works. This program is perfect if you want to lose weight, break through a plateau, reduce cravings, improve metabolic health, or finally just understand how food truly affects your body. Understand your blood sugar, transform your metabolism. Call 407-507-3837. Start your personalized 30-day CGM journey today.